Wire and spark erosion are trusted and proven processes within the machining sector, but just how far can they take you?
So if we look at the landscape, there are many different things going on in aerospace and indeed defence, where requirements are becoming a lot more stringent, but the demands are very much there, obviously with all the different conflicts across the globe. So yeah, we are a growing, thriving business, 25 people strong and growing, and we want to grow with the requirements of our customers. Hi, I'm Gary Taylor. I'm Group Managing Director at the Excel Precision Group. We have two facilities. Today we're in Gloucester, here in Quedgeley. We also have a facility in Birmingham, in Sodick, and we are one of the leading suppliers of subcontract wire and spark erosion across the United Kingdom. We also have a division in the business that sells EDM consumables. So that's everything from wire, filters, anything you need from a consumable and spare part point of view, we also supply that.
The aerospace industry is growing. Why? Well, they're trying to build more economical engines. Therefore, as a sector, it's growing at a rapid rate.
So we predominantly work in aerospace, defence, not oil and gas. These are the three main sectors that the business predominantly works in. However, we also do work in Formula One. We have done work in the medical sectors as well, which are growing. And the reason for this is that we have all the accreditations from NADCAP to ASA 9001, and we have the experience, the wherewithal and the equipment on site to actually deal with the demands and the requirements of these sectors, whether it's tolerances, whether it's the parts, complexity, or the exotic materials that these companies are looking for us to machine. So we've got 25 people across the group, and that's split 50-50 really across both sites. Here in Gloucester, we have a mix of wire EDM, sparking machines. We also have capabilities on site for CMM in inspection. Similar sort of facilities in Birmingham, but we can also offer some live tooling and some turning as well. So we're very well placed to be able to be self-supportive when it comes to wire and spark requirements across these sectors.
Interestingly, Excel Precision have reinvested every penny that they've made over the years into plant, processes and people, and that's why they believe their business has grown year on year.
Yeah, so we have a relationship with Sodick that's based on many years trusted partnership. We have a range of wire and sinking machines across both facilities. We work closely with our partners to meet our customers' demanding needs, and we're always looking to innovate and keep up with latest technology to allow us to be able to offer the new requirements and demands from our customer base. So we invest in the latest equipment that can offer that trusted, reliable, unmanned running within our facility that enables us to be able to be confident that we can deliver the parts and we can deliver the capacity levels and the increases that they're looking to achieve. We've got a great team across both sites. We've got a very young, dynamic team. We're always looking to learn, to grow and to strive and to be better. But we have a very good team who understand the customer's needs and basically deliver. We have machinery on site, like the machine we have behind us, that can obviously offer high tolerances, it can offer the repeatability, and we can offer quick turnaround. So we offer facilities here where we can work outside hours and we can turn around parts on a very quick basis. Both sites are local to their typical supply base, so we can offer that service to our local customers. And also, of recent times, we're expanding into other areas across the country and indeed Europe, where companies are looking for this quick turnaround service on typically complex, difficult parts. When dealing with these primes in these particular sectors, whether it be aerospace, defence, oil and gas, they have strict requirements. We as a business understand these strict requirements. We work with these strict requirements on a daily basis. So from certifications, or whether it's NADCAP requirements, or whether it's ASA 9100 requirements, we have a deep understanding within the team of what's required from the receipt of the order to the receipt of the parts, to obviously going through the process, delivering with a desired certification for their requirements. So we have that within the group, and it's come over years of working with these organisations and developing that trusted relationship. The future is very bright. You know, we're in a very strong position. We're looking to grow. We want to grow with our customers, obviously, and we're looking to grow into potential new sectors as well. So the future for the group is extremely bright.